The reliable production of renewable energy is the key to the future of electrification. AmePower is at the forefront of this transformation, delivering cutting-edge, high-power conversion technology designed for optimal efficiency and reliability. Our solutions are engineered to improve equipment lifespan, simplify maintenance, and optimize operations, all while maximizing profitability.
When it comes to renewable technology, operators are struggling to maintain their infrastructure, and that comes from a variety of issues. What we see: obsolescence of components, products failing to meet the intended design life.
The solution to obsolescence is retrofitting and upgrading with the most up-to-date technology that can be used. And that's what we do here, where it's not just a retrofit, it's an upgrade.
AmePower can bring expertise and American-made quality. We have been working since 2002 in power electronics.
The fact is, we're making it in America, we're building in America, and we're using American products. And we see it here at Florida's Small Business Week winner, AmePower. It designed high-power energy converters to help fuel our shift to a clean energy future.
Most of the operators and owners, they believe that just repairing is one of the options. However, doing a retrofit and a smart retrofit, we are able to ensure the fleets are in revenue, providing more to the bottom line. That is what they're looking for.
Our hands-on local support and availability minimizes dependency on OEMs.
The fact that we're located here in the US gives us a lot of benefits in terms of being able to supply support and ensure the quality of our products.
We are empowered by technology. By conducting a thorough analysis, we design tailored solutions. Using non-proprietary components paired with our fast turnaround ensures minimal downtime, simplified maintenance, and inventory optimization. Ultimately, reducing costly repetitive repairs and shifting to a long-term, cost-effective solution to keep the fleet on revenue.
We understand how the wind turbines need to have a very high reliability, how they need to be certified in order to be connected to the grid, and how the design needs to be modular so the maintenance is easy for the technicians on the field.
We go further. We incorporate condition monitoring technology that is not just limited to the energy converter, but includes the connected peripherals. Our commitment to technological innovation ensures that you can confidently face the challenges and opportunities of the renewable energy landscape and achieve grid resilience. Let's work together to make the world a better place for generations to come.